Our first princess from Good Shepherd Subdivision, Barangay Bulusan. She was born on March 25, 2019 and is dreaming to become a teacher someday. Our little prince, among all of them, is aiming to become a lawyer someday. He is into watching TV and love to draw. Born on September 21, 2019 of his proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Francisco Sales and Karen Gail Sales. The parents of our first princess are Mr. and Mrs. Edison Tolentino and Christy Manso. Bigyan po natin ng isang malakas na kabibiging palakpakan.